If you've ever accidentally deleted a message on Facebook Messenger, don't worry, you can still recover it. In this video, I'll show you how to do just that. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how to get your messages back. So in order to recover your deleted messages on Messenger, you need Facebook. So exit out of the Messenger application and open up your Facebook application. Once you are on the Facebook application, tap on these three lines at the top right corner of the screen. And then tap on this gear icon at the top right of the screen to go to your settings and privacy. After that, scroll down until you find your information section. And then, once you've found it, tap on Download Your Information under your information. And then tap on Deselect All. And then only select Messages. Messages you've exchanged with other people on Messenger. After that, scroll down all the way to the bottom of the screen and tap on Date Range. Then let's say I only want to recover messages in the last week. I can simply pick that time range. Otherwise, it will recover all of your messages since you created your Facebook account. After you've chosen a time range, click Create File. What this will do is create a file with all of your messages on Messenger, even the ones you deleted. They will be in this file. So you can download this file and open it up and see all of your messages on Messenger. So that wraps up this video. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.